Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can create a second channel under the same YouTube account. So it's very simple and easy. What you have to do is just press on your profile right over here, and then you need to press on YouTube Studio. Once you press on it, it will bring you to YouTube Studio, and then you can just simply press on settings. Right over here, you just need to press on channel and then advanced settings, and scroll down till the end until you see the option of manage YouTube account. Simply press on that and it will bring you to this section right over here. And then you'll see an option of create a new channel. If you press on that right over here, you can just create a new channel. I'm just gonna do it like this and give it a handle you like to, and then create channel. And it's gonna take a few seconds, and here you go. Now you need to sign in again, and once you do that, you're good to go. You have created an account. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can create a YouTube channel under same account. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.